Imagine for a moment a world where another you exists, making different decisions, leading a different life. Is this pure fantasy or could it be a reality? Welcome to the realm of parallel universes, a concept that proposes the existence of multiple self-contained realities coexisting side by side with our own. This isn't a new idea, it's been a cornerstone of science fiction and popular culture for decades, paving the way for intriguing storylines and thought-provoking narratives. From the pages of comic books to the dazzling imagery of Hollywood, the concept of parallel universes has captured our collective imagination, presenting us with the tantalizing possibility that there might be other versions of reality out there. But this isn't just the stuff of fiction. Scientists and theorists are exploring the possibility of parallel universes, taking us on a fascinating journey into the unknown. The idea of parallel universes may sound like pure science fiction, but could they actually exist? Let's delve deeper into this fascinating concept. The existence of parallel universes hinges on the concept of the multiverse, but what exactly is the multiverse? The multiverse, as its name suggests, is a hypothetical group of multiple universes, including the one we inhabit. It's like a vast cosmic quilt, each patch representing a universe, stretching out in every direction, encompassing everything that exists: space, time, matter, energy, and the physical laws and constants that describe them. The multiverse theory is a popular but controversial subject among physicists. This theory postulates that our universe, the one filled with countless galaxies, stars and planets, including our Earth, is not the only one around. It suggests that there are numerous other universes, each with its own unique laws of physics, dimensions, and cosmic events. According to this theory, our universe is merely a small bubble in an infinite ocean of other universes, each bubble representing a different universe. These universes could contain different versions of reality or even alternate versions of us, leading to the concept of parallel universes. Scientists have proposed several types of multiverses. The first type, called the quilted multiverse, suggests that the universe is infinite, with every possible event occurring somewhere. The second type, the inflationary multiverse, assumes that our universe is one of many bubbles that are continuously being created and expanding. The third type, the quantum multiverse, arises from the peculiarities of quantum mechanics, suggesting that every possible quantum outcome is realized in some universe. Finally, the mathematical multiverse suggests that every mathematically possible universe exists in some way. However, it's important to note that the multiverse theory is still a subject of debate. While it is supported by some evidence like the cosmic inflation theory and quantum mechanics, it's still far from being universally accepted. Many scientists argue that since these other universes are not observable, the theory cannot be empirically tested, and thus remains speculative. The multiverse theory, though still controversial, opens up the possibility of many universes existing parallel to our own. The realm of quantum physics might hold the key to understanding parallel universes. So let's dive right in. Quantum physics, or quantum mechanics, is a branch of physics that deals with phenomena on a very small scale, such as molecules, atoms, and subatomic particles like electrons and photons. Its principles are quite different from classical physics and can often seem counterintuitive. One of the most intriguing aspects of quantum mechanics is the concept of superposition. In a nutshell, it suggests that a particle can exist in multiple states at once, and only when we observe or measure it does it collapse into one state. Now imagine applying this concept to the entire universe. That's where the many worlds interpretation comes in. This interpretation, first proposed by physicist Hugh Everett in the late 1950s, takes the concept of superposition and applies it to everything in the universe. It proposes that for every possible outcome of an event, the universe splits into different versions, each one representing a different outcome. In other words, for every decision you make, for every twist and turn of fate, there's a parallel universe out there where a different version of you took a different path. Fascinating, isn't it? This interpretation suggests an unimaginably vast multiverse, filled with countless parallel universes, each as real as our own. But how can we test this? That's the tough part. The many worlds interpretation, while intriguing, is still just that. An interpretation. It's one way to explain the strange world of quantum mechanics, but it's not the only way. And until we can find a way to observe or measure these parallel universes, it remains a theory. But the implications are mind-boggling. If the many worlds interpretation is correct, it means that everything that could possibly happen in any situation does happen in some universe. Quantum physics, with its many worlds interpretation, suggests that every possible outcome of every event defines or exists in its own world or universe. It's a thought that forces us to reconsider our understanding of reality itself. Could wormholes be the gateways to these parallel universes? Let's delve into this exciting topic. Wormholes, in theory, are tunnels in space-time, a bit like shortcuts through the universe. Picture this. You're trying to get from point A to point B in the cosmic expanse. A straight line might seem the fastest route, but what if you could bend space itself to bring points A and B together? That's the idea behind a wormhole. These peculiar structures have been a staple of science fiction for decades. But they're not just figments of imaginative minds. They are legitimate solutions to Einstein's field equations of general relativity. But what does this have to do with parallel universes? Well, some believe that if wormholes exist, they could potentially connect not just two distant points within our universe, but also different universes altogether. Imagine a network of wormholes, each serving as a bridge to an alternate reality. It's a mind-boggling concept, isn't it? However, it's important to note that this is all theoretical. Despite our best efforts, we haven't yet detected a wormhole. They remain elusive, existing only in the equations and imaginations of physicists. But who knows what the future holds? While we are yet to discover a real wormhole, their existence could provide a pathway to alternate realities. Parallel universes have long been a fascinating concept in science fiction and popular culture. The allure of exploring alternate realities where different choices were made or events took a different turn has sparked countless imaginations. In literature, authors have woven intricate narratives around the concept of parallel universes, from Philip K. Dick's The Man in the High Castle, where the Axis powers won World War II, to Stephen King's Dark Tower series that introduces a multiverse of infinite worlds. The idea has been a rich vein for storytelling. The big screen, too, has seen its fair share of parallel universe explorations. Movies like The Matrix and Inception challenge our understanding of reality, while Interstellar delves into the potential of wormholes as gateways to other universes. Television series like Stranger Things and Fringe have also harnessed the allure of parallel universes, crafting compelling narratives around the existence of the upside down or alternate realities. In the world of video games, the idea of parallel universes allows for creative game design. The Legend of Zelda: A Link to the Past, for instance, features two parallel worlds that the player must navigate. These examples are just the tip of the parallel universe iceberg in our culture. Their popularity underscores our fascination with the concept and its endless possibilities. From science fiction to popular TV shows, the idea of parallel universes continues to captivate our imaginations. So, do parallel universes exist? We might not have a definitive answer yet, but the possibility is truly fascinating. As we've explored today, the concept of parallel universes is more than just a flight of fancy or a plot device in science fiction. It's a serious field of study in theoretical physics, and many respected scientists are dedicating their careers to investigating it. We've delved into the multiverse theory, which suggests that our universe might just be one among potentially infinite others. Each universe could have its own physical laws and realities, painting a picture of existence that is far richer and more complex than we could have ever imagined. We've also discussed the concept of parallel dimensions and how quantum physics, with its many worlds interpretation, lends some credibility to the idea of parallel universes. This interpretation suggests that for every decision we make, there could be a parallel universe where we made a different choice. We've examined the role of wormholes as possible gateways to these parallel universes. While the existence of wormholes is still theoretical, they present a tantalizing possibility of traversing vast distances in space and perhaps even time. We've looked at how the ideas of parallel universes and dimensions have permeated our cultural consciousness, influencing science fiction literature, movies, TV shows, and video games. These cultural expressions of parallel universes continue to spark our imagination and curiosity. We've also delved into string theory and its implications for the existence of extra dimensions. And we've explored the connection between cosmic inflation theory and the creation of multiple universes. We've examined the relationship between quantum entanglement and the potential existence of parallel realities, further deepening our understanding of this intricate topic. Though the existence of parallel universes remains hypothetical, these theories and ideas push the boundaries of our understanding. They challenge us to consider possibilities beyond our immediate perception, and they invite us to embark on a thrilling journey through the cosmos. Whether or not parallel universes exist, contemplating them pushes the boundaries of our understanding and takes us on a thrilling journey through the cosmos.